Alright, so in today's live we're going to be making this 2020 Kennedy half dollar into a cowboy hat. First step is to heat it up and anneal it. We're going to hop over here to our torch and get that going. It's been a while since I made a cowboy hat, so I'm pretty stoked about it. It's going to be a big one. So this is just softening up this copper. You got that orange feedback flame there, so that should be good. We'll go ahead and quench this real quick. Definitely changing my water out today. It's way too low. Dry it off real quick and start making it into a hat. If you guys have never seen me before, I'm a coin ring maker. I make coins into rings most of the time. But today we're making a cowboy hat. If you'd like to get yourself a coin cowboy hat, I make them out of dimes, quarters, and half dollars, and they're available on my website, which is linked to my profile. You can just tap my logo right there and go to my profile and the link there, or just tap the gold chain down by the comments. That's a lot easier. So we've got our half dollar nice and annealed. Means the copper is going to be a little bit softer and easier to work with. We're going to do the first step to transform it into a cowboy hat. I'm going to use this little jig here. This is from the Unminted Coin Company, a guy named Jonathan, real nice dude. He also makes coin rings, but he 3D prints different tools and stuff that you can make cool stuff out of. He does like coin cutting jigs, cowboy hat jigs, a lot of cool stuff. So if you like my work, you want to get some cool tools, I recommend checking out the Unminted Coin Company. So what this does is it centers the ball bearing right on the middle of the coin. And after I get a good little dimple in there, I remove this top cover, because as you push down on the coin, the outside edges of it actually push up, and I don't want them to damage this guide. So we'll take that off of there and push this down a little more. And as I push down, you'll be able to kind of see that coin rise up a little bit. And I want to push it as far as I can without busting the coin. So right on the edge here, there's a lot of pressure, and if I push too far, it will snap. And this has a little steel washer on there. It's very smart. It's a great tool. I'll try and push it just a little bit further. There we go. That looks pretty good to me. So put these tools up here. And now we'll get this other jig here, and this kind of folds the sides of this coin into that cowboy hat shape. And this is a little wonky, so I'm gonna even it out real quick. It's got a little wiggle in it. Now it's nice and flat, that's better. Make sure to get the date lined up correctly. Put this top piece on here. And give it a fold. There we go. Nice, cute little half dollar cowboy hat. You can get these at coinringmaker.com, buycoinrings.com. The link is in my profile. If you haven't yet, give me a follow. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.